Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back again with another tweaks video. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys 5 new tweaks that has been just released. So most of these tweaks will be compatible with iOS 11.x if you already jailbreak with Electra. So before I'm gonna start today's video, I'll asking you guys to give the video a huge thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new tweaks video.
Alright, let's start right now with the first tweak that I have for you guys in today's video. I will be talking about the Smoothtable. So what is that tweak will be allow you with? You can take a look right now. I'm about to showing you how is that tweak will be make your settings. So you can see right now how is it beautiful, the set and everything. So once you download that tweak, this is what the tweak will be allow you with. If we go ahead right now and showing you guys what we have under the settings here. So the first thing, go ahead and enable the tweak, and also we have another option if you want to bring the corner rounding here, and also we have another section, the application. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you can bring any kind of application here. And also if I want to go back, here we have the set. So if you want to change the set, but I highly recommend you guys to keep it on the 25. So there you go guys, this is the most things about the Smoothtable. Highly recommend you guys to give it a try, really beautiful. The next tweak I will be talking about the 13. So once you download the tweak, that tweak will be make every single app just one single page in your iDevice. You can take a look right now how is it looks like, and even you can customize some stuff from under the settings. I'm about to show you guys right now what we have from under the settings. So if we go ahead right now and jump under the settings, the general here, go ahead and enable the tweak, and also there is a dark mode, so you can toggle that. And also we have another section. If you go to home screen here, you can some customize stuff, you can go ahead and do that. And also we have another customized stuff for your DudetECH here. Once you're done from all the configuration, go ahead and respring your device, so your device will be take the effect. And this is the way about that tweak once you install it in your iDevice, which is I highly recommend you guys to download it. Really beautiful. 13. The next Cydia tweak I will be talking about iNosleep. So most of you guys know once you leave your device on the sleep mode, it will be automatically disconnect the internet. Once you download that tweak will be make the internet always connected with your iDevice, even if you leave the device on the sleep mode. Let's go ahead right now and jump under the settings to show you guys most of the things. So go ahead right now and enable the tweak, and right now all what you need to do, just go ahead and respring your device, so your device will be take the effect. And this is the way about that tweak once you install it in your iDevice. Go ahead and download iNosleep. Next Cydia tweak, let me talking about the Topless Keyboard. So most of you guys know if you launch your keyboard, it comes with the next button or the down button. Once you download the Topless Keyboard, it will be remove that. Let me show you guys right now, so you can take a look right now. Here on the top of the keyboard, there is no down button, there is no tracks or the next button. So this is what the tweak will be looks like once you install it in your iDevice, which is I highly recommend you guys to give it a try. If you're looking for that kind of stuff, you can go ahead and download Topless Keyboard. Next Cydia tweak, FastDeleteX. So once you download the tweak, you can delete any kind of picture from your iDevice right away. You don't need to approve that. Most of you guys know there is a pop-up message says if you want to delete the picture or no. So once you download that tweak, that pop-up will be disappeared and go. So as I told you guys, this is what pretty much the tweak will be allow you with. So if you're looking for that kind of stuff, go ahead and download FastDeleteX.
So anyway guys, this is the most tweak that I want to share with you guys in today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, give the video a huge thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new video. Catch you with the next one. Peace.